Dear audience, today I am going to teach you how to add a hyperlink to open any specific file from the computer while you remain in Word. A hyperlink acts like a link to fetch any specific file/information. See below two examples. I want to have a document where I want to show pictures when clicked on specific hyperlink. I will select the text on which hyperlink is required, and then the next step I will use right click of the mouse and click on hyperlink. Then in the third step I will locate the desired file from the computer to apply the hyperlink. See how I'll do this. I'm going to select shift select, text has been selected. Now right click, hyperlink. Now I'm going to browse the file from the computer. You can see on the left looking, and on the right there's a drop down, and I have clicked this drop down. Then I go to desktop, look file, the file has been located, pick one, it's done. Now if I hold down control key and click this one, see what happens. Now you can see on the foreground I can see a picture. Now I do second example. This is a picture of the code. So when I will click this picture, I will be able to see a picture of the code. Right click on the same manner, hyperlink, locate the file from the computer, desktop, code. Okay. Now hold down control key, and now you can see on the foreground a picture of the code, and on the background you can see that word is over there. So now I have two hyperlinks, one to see a scenery and one to see a picture of the code. In the same manner, you can add any file, whether it's a PDF or Excel or whatever file. You can just do the same process to get the same result. Hope you would have enjoyed this video. See you in the next video with a new command.
It's caught in the crossfire.